Now we are gonna see which car can drift good or bad. Let's see which car can drift good or bad. Good or bad. Okay? Let's see. I'm sorry because I show you an ad there. I don't know. What the camera reasons are bad in this game. Come on. I want to get a normal camera. Okay, I can start the vlog when I found a normal camera. Here we go. Now it's a nice camera. Let's see. Let's go. Guys, this thing is, I think this thing's good at drifting. Oh my gosh. Can I get through? This little plug it in. That was bad. That was not too bad. It was a little good. Oh my gosh. This thing is bad at drifting. Why is it good at drifting? It's gonna be terrible. Don't hit the ball. This thing is very bad. I'm gonna hate this thing. I'm gonna stick on a fight. Guys, here's my mark. I put this X because it's not there. So let's get into the next card. Next card is a truck. Here it is. And look at the front design. It's a fire. Let's see. Okay, let me try again. Okay, let me try again. 3, 2, 1, go! What? Okay, guys, this is a bad spot. I'm gonna turn to a different spot. Okay, I'm gonna do everything in slow-mo. Slow-mo is easy. Look at that drift. Look at that drift. Look at that drift. Guys, sleep the drift. Let's go. Okay, I need a different spot, guys. Okay, guys, now I'm waiting in a different spot, and you can see there's no cheating stuff. Like I did slow mo, I was trying to easy. No drifting mode. No, just no cheating. That's gonna do this. I was cheating last time. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna shut up, and then you gonna guys up. You guys are gonna hear the sound, okay? And I want for 1 million subscribers. That way, if no subscriber came into my channels, you have to subscribe. You still haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Oh, there's one cheating mode, which is the energy. Guys, I made this too. I'm trying it again. You see, I'm a drip easy. I'm a drip beachy. I'm a PGF. Look at that. I'm proud of myself. Let's go there. This thing did a great job. This thing did a great job. Now for the next card. This is a next card. Next. So next card. Okay guys, I'm back. I pick a new card. Now let's go. Oh, I'm a drift champion. I'm a drift champion or not? I'm a drift champion. I'm a drift champion. Oh my gosh! Don't hit the wall. Don't hit the wall. Don't hit the wall. Don't hit the wall. Ooh, I saved my life. There's 3 more laps to go. That was almost a hit. That was almost a hit. Let's go, 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 let's go. 1 more lap to go. And I passed. 3 more laps to go. This thing did a very bad job. Very bad. And guys, I hate this thing. I want to put it on fire. Guys, I forgot to put I forgot to put a good in the front of the truck. Let's put it. Oh, there's no space. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna clean all of those up. Erase. Erase. Yes. And put an X. Okay, now I'm gonna put a great job sign. This gotta be a great job sign. There we go. Great job signs are green, so green. Is this a great job? Yes, this is a great job sign. Okay, I'm getting smaller. So, yes. Yes, it did it. Good. Jabba, change. Now, let's get into the next thing. Here's the X mark. It's giant. Orange is good. Doctor, stay away. I don't sing very well, so sorry. What the heck? I just picked the wrong sport again. Sorry for doing that. We are now going. Let's guess spike its color. Okay, I'm gonna design the one color. Let's spike it. Okay, let me say one. This time you guys can see. So if you guys can't do it, I'm gonna show you. So look, there's multiplayer in this. So you can choose what season you want, and there's 3 different spots. One is like this, one is like this, no, one is like that, one is like this, and one is like this. So I was drifting on this spot. Where is it? What? Oh, I was drifting on this spot. Now, if you guys learn, if you guys not learn, just say it to me. So let's see. I am here. I'm here. I'm. Look at the blue smoke. Blue. This thing did a very bad job. Okay, some of the I gonna set a different spot. Now I'm currently easy spot. Okay, Now you guys gonna see like this. No. Do you guys want to see this? Okay, here we go. Let's go. Oh, step. Faster mode. I'm angry! I will destroy this thing up. Destroy this thing up. Destroyed. Now thank you for watching my videos. Now bye. But please, you have to subscribe. You still haven't subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed, I'm gonna post a video also. So bye.